Hi, welcome to our online interview series, Talk with Market Leaders 2. Our guest today is Mr. Joachim Mollmeier, Director Asia Pacific of KRAIBURG TPE China. KRAIBURG TPE is a global manufacturer of thermoplastic elastomers. It offers soft, elastics, and lightweight TPE compounds for different industries, including the medical industry. Mr. Mollmeier, thank you for being with us today.
It's my pleasure. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. COVID-19 has led to a big rise in the demand for medical devices. And did your company also see a big increase in orders from the medical sector?
Well, the year 2020 was an encouraging year for the medical segment, because with all these COVID surroundings, the medical segment flourished. And what we see currently in the year 2021, we have a very good sales in the medical segment so far, and so we are seeing the global sales currently being around 30% above last year. We also see that this year will be well concluded.
Consider the medical sector in Asia. Do you see any obvious market and technology trends?
Yes, for sure. Asia currently, the medical market in Asia for medical devices currently is around 23% of the world market. And we see that Asia has a very enjoyable growth for this market, and we expect that in the next 3 years the Asian market will outpace the European market, so that Asia will become number 2 in this segment.
Okay, that's great.
And we see a lot of technology trends in this segment as well. For example, with biotech, with artificial intelligence, with more electronic communication tools, we see that the healthcare segment will more and more adopt these elements, so that the treatment of patients will be advanced.
How does TPE meet all these new requirements?
Well, one thing is that we will have more and more wearable devices, where the wearable need the wristbands, for example, or the touch keys, for example, will be made of TPE. We will have more single-use devices, which also supports our products. And there will be a change in the way of treatment. That's the patient and the caretaker, or the doctors and the patients do not need so regular personal contact. But this will be more handled via these artificial intelligence support and one-way devices, so which increases use of our materials. TPEs are fast replacing PVCs and thermoset rubbers. Also because they are much easier to process, and they're halogen-free and latex-free, so it's a much better usage for TPEs rather than different materials.
So do you think advanced TPE will be gaining wider and wider applications in the medical sector?
For sure. Actually, our TPEs are constantly finding new ways into new applications, and we are working together with our product development to meet the customer's requirement for these TPEs. So we are more and more finding ways where we can bring our technologies, our solution into the market and helping our customers to design their products. In the same way, the environment aspects are gaining more and more momentum, and here you have a clear advantage of thermoplastic elastomers because they can be recycled and can be also designed accordingly.
So what would you say are the most important latest innovations TPE?
The most important latest innovations are, among others, our healthcare series. It's our Thermalast H segment. The H stands for healthcare. And we newly launched this line for the Asia Pacific market to especially meet the requirements of the Asia Pacific medical device market.
Apart from these, what are the other development trends so far as TPE is concerned?
Well, we have lightweight TPEs, we have food contact TPEs, which meet the Chinese GB regulation and the FDA and the European regulations. So these are elements or some aspects of our innovation range.
So KRAIBURG has launched this new range of TPE, the ThermoLast H.
Yes.
Can you elaborate on its properties and applications?
ThermoLast H is a very versatile product actually designed for the Asia-Pacific healthcare market. It meets the highest standards in the regulations, for example, the ISO 10993-5 or the related GB standards, so it's matching what the healthcare market needs. It meets the global food contact regulations, ROS and REACH, and is also sterilizable at autoclave at 121 degrees centigrade. From a hardness range, we have it can be adjusted from 30 to 90 J. It is free of PVC, of latex, of silicones and animal ingredients, so this is what the customer needs for designing healthcare products. It can be used for mouthpieces, for seals, for gaskets, for tubing and many more applications the customer have in the healthcare market in Asia Pacific. We can adjust the soft touch so that it's very soft to touch when it comes to skin contact. It can be used in injection molding and in extrusion.
Your company also offers customized products. What are the unique features of these products to the customers?
The unique features are clearly that we are customizing the mechanical properties, colors, chemical resistances to what the customer needs. For example, in ThermoLast H, when you need possible soft haptics so that it's easy to soft touch, we can adjust this. You can adjust the mechanical property, how bouncy this material is, or how strong the material is. You can adjust the colors and many other aspects of these compounds. Plus, we normally talk with the customer in a type of project management that they don't just pick the products from the shelf, but we adapt it according to what the customer needs in their development. Because the customer has their innovation project, so we have to support the customer in this innovation project. Besides, we have clear professional production processes with pure and high quality ingredients, so that we can guarantee that the customer is really getting the high end.
That sounds great, thank you. Do you have other comments that you would like to share with our audience today?
Yeah, besides this ThermoLast H, we also have our product range ThermoLast M in the medical market, which is already existing since many years. This comes for the full medical package, where we also have the ISO 10993-4, -5, -10, -11, the FDA approvals and so forth, the European regulations. So the full medical package for ThermoLast M is for the global market, where you have also customers in other regions to rely on their regulation. This comes with supply guarantees and change management guarantees, so that the customer can be sure that there will be no change in ingredients, and we give him the supply guarantee for at least 2 years. Sure, we have many other innovations. We have the lightweight products, for example. We have products with low odor and low emission. And actually, it's our daily task to reach out to the customer to find the new applications. And with our technology and our product engineering knowledge.
So thank you so much for your comment today.
You're very welcome.
We can talk again next time.
My pleasure. Looking forward.